morning. I'm here putting the finishing touches on a brand new home that's going on the market today. If you're looking for a home that is an executive style, in an executive neighborhood where the kids can walk to school, as well as have a swimming pool in the summertime on a magnificent sized lot, a place in the basement because it's fully finished where the kids can entertain their friends, or you can have a party of your own. It's a huge 4-bedroom home with 2.5 bathrooms. If you're interested in more details about this fine home, because I'm putting the staging finishes on it today, that's the reason for the staging outfit today, give us a call, Alice and Walsh, at 905-332-2207. Guaranteed Real Estate Services. And by the way, if you're looking to move up, but you have a home to sell, we have a proposition for you. And that proposition is we will buy your home so you can buy this one. So give us a call, make an appointment, and come and have a look. 905-332-2207.
Watching our video. I'm Alice and Walsh with Guaranteed Real Estate Services, and I'm very proud of our company. We support Juravinsky Cancer Patient Care in Hamilton. It's an organization that helps cancer patients during, before, and after treatment. And how we support them is that on every home that we sell, a portion of our commission goes directly to Juravinsky. So if you're thinking of making a move, call us. You're going to get great service and you're going to help cancer patients. So give us a call at 905-332-2207. 2207 and have yourself a great day.